June the 2nd is going down. 5549 Germantown Avenue. Roxanne Cafe.
People call me Shiny, some people call me Box. And those who try to diss, I just knocks them out the box.
Sweet thing.
I got this feeling, and it's making me break into a cold sweat.
Grand Poobah and Brand Nubian performing live at the Gemini Earthquake Band. Also celebrating their birthdays, you got my girl Kalina, Fern, Lynn, you dig?
Yeah, let's do this.
And I can't forget my girl Carmella.
Move, if you feel it, it kill, cause I got nothing to lose. I'm at the top of the key.
Tickets on sale $25. $50 for VIP. VIP comes with a meet and greet with the artists and the soul food dinner. Brought to you by Joe Brand.
Hop on the dance floor,
Parent.
music. Toe slam to my
Stephanie Monica and my man Dan. Yeah, it's going down June the 2nd at 5549 Germantown Avenue. Treasure, June the 2nd. Make sure y'all be there.
I'm styling, nails I'm filing, standing on stage, smiling, profiling, lean, mean, breaking out on the scene. Me and the girls stepping fresh out of Queens. So if you wanna have